as y'all can see, I have new parts.
New parts?
New parts! We have the Radium Engineering fuel rail, injector dynamics, injectors, and the black market fab turbo manifold. So we'll go ahead and throw those parts on and get one step closer to the FRS running again. So like I said, injector dynamics, injectors. These should give me the horsepower I want. Gotta make sure they are lubricated. As I said, the Radium Engineering fuel rail. Alright, and like I said, black market fab turbo manifold. Should be putting a pretty decent sized turbo on it. Not going to be reusing the turbo. Not going to be reusing the turbo that I already have on the car. I don't think it's going to support the power that I am going with. So we will get our gasket on. Wrong side. And we'll go ahead and install this. Thankfully, for the most part, with all the swap kits and helpful things that are out there at the moment, this swap so far has been pretty effortless. I do not know how long this video is going to be. When I tighten up manifolds, I use a good rule of thumb that you want to start on the outside edge and move your way in. I don't know if that matters, but it's just something I've always done. And you never torque anything down until they're all snug. I torque down opposite of the tightening. And then I like to do one more double check. Just for safety. All right. All right, so Black Market Fab manifold is installed. Radium engineering fuel rail with injector dynamic injectors are installed. So we'll give you all a quick look at everything on it and see y'all next time.